If you're facing a no internet connection issue on your iPhone, here are a few simple methods you can try to fix it. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap General. Then scroll down again and select VPN and Device Management. Check whether a VPN is connected. If it is, turn it off. Sometimes a VPN remains connected but stops working properly, which can slow down your internet connection or prevent internet access altogether. If that doesn't solve the problem, go back to Settings, tap General, and then select Date and Time. If your date and time are incorrect or don't match your region, it can cause connectivity issues. Simply enable Set Automatically, and your iPhone will update the date and time settings correctly. For the final method, open Settings, go to General, scroll to the bottom, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, select Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. This will reset your network settings and often resolves internet-related issues. Now, let's check if it's working. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected, and the no internet connection error is no longer appearing. Let's open a browser and test it. There we go, the internet is working perfectly. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.